Hello guys, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how to charge your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. But before we start, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, we are gonna need this power adapter with 45 watts of power and a cable 5A or 100 watts for the maximum charging speed. And despite the stated 45 watts, the real test shows about 27 volts. So here is the approximate charging time. From 0 to 28%, it takes 10 minutes to charge this phone. From 0 to 50, 20 minutes. And to get your phone fully charged, it takes 1 hour up to 1 hour 18 minutes. As an advice, use a 45 watt or higher charger for fast charging, and make sure Super Fast Charging 2.0 is labeled on the screen. And you can also purchase a 5A or 100 watt cable for optimal power transfer. So to charge your phone, simply plug the cable in a computer like I did or in a power adapter and connect to the phone. And on the main screen you will see this animation, and on the bottom of the screen you will see your battery percentage. So this model also supports a wireless charging. Take your wireless charger and place your phone on it. And you will see this animation as well, the information about wireless charging and the battery percentage. You will need to use a wireless charger with 15 watts, not less, of power. And it will take approximately 1 hour to charge your phone from 0 to 50%, and to get your phone fully charged, it will take 2 hours up to 2 hours and 26 minutes. But this wireless charger is more comfortable in using during night or at the office. But if you need a quick charging process, you better use a wired charger. And let's move on to the interesting information. So despite the claimed charging speeds up to 45 watts, reality shows that the Galaxy S24 Ultra charges at an average of 27 watts. This can be checked with specialized charging monitoring apps or USB multimeters. Also, the 3-second standard for wireless charging is expected to evolve, providing better connectivity and faster charging, as in the case of the OnePlus 12. So that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.